Hello, hello. Hope all is well. I'm going to share with us another crop that I'll be planting this year. And this year is I'm scaling it down for the gardening space. So let's see what this has in store, what we're planting. Let's see. All right, so as you can see, I worked the soil. This is the same location where last year I had grown beans, string beans, and let me tell you what, it was a plentiful harvest. All right, so this year I'll be growing in this location, the Swiss chard, and as you can see, I had punched holes about 15 centimeters apart from each other and about a centimeter deep. But you can see it looks like it's a little over a centimeter deep, and that's fine. It's just an estimate. So as you can see, the seeds are being sowed into the holes that I've made. And pretty shortly, it will be covered up with the soil. And then we'll let nature do its course, do its work, and eventually see how things turn out. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. And if you're new to this channel, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Fun, interesting fact. Did you know that worms are essential, that God created for our garden? They actually recycle nutrients into the soil. Amongst other things, they break down organic matter, which naturally fertilizes the earth and packs it with vital nutrients. They also help improve soil structure, and they repair damaged soil. So, if you and your children are out in the garden and you see these yucky little squirrely worms and you're wondering, ew, encourage your children to put the worms back into the soil, as they are much needed. Isn't it amazing how God creates these little things, even the ones that we mostly despise? Well, some people anyway. But it's gold for those who understand and are gardening. So may God bless you, and all the things that God created, indeed, like is written in Genesis, is good. Bye for now. God bless you.